Hi, I'm back. This is Cinderella Jane. In our last video, I was making a cake and I had some leftover cake mix. When you have leftover cake mix, never ever throw it away. Just make some cupcakes. You can put them in the freezer. You can ice them up nicely and take them out one at a time when you want them, or pull them out at the last minute for guests. Oh no, do you ever have cupcake holders that look like this? That'll never work. Those are all sprung out of shape and they will not make attractive cupcakes. Even though they're just for me, I still want them to look nice. These will make very nice looking cupcakes. Time to get my chocolate and my vanilla cupcakes ready for the oven. Here I am just taking all of my leftover icings and I'm putting them together in one bag. You never ever want to waste that yummy icing. I had some leftover pink, I have some blue and some white, so I would just put them each in like a different section of my Wilton bag. Okay, my cupcakes are out of the oven and I have my icings all prepared, and I'm using a tip 4B to icing the tops of the cupcakes. I'm just using a circular motion from the outside of each cupcake towards the center. You can do it different ways, but as you can see, my icings are different colors. They make a swirled tricolor icing for each cupcake. You can make that icing really tall like the bakeries, or you can put it on like I am, but we don't like a lot of icing, so I'm fixing them for us. The house always smells so amazing when I'm making cakes. But those cupcakes must go in the freezer and they'll be ready for company. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I could use all the subscribers I can get, and I hope you will tune in to my next video.